Concert food section organization of Ms5 and Silly. Chapter 1. Ms5 asked for help to organize monthly concerts food section from Silly. They started to plan. Who's going to attend the concert? What would the visitors like to eat? The theme is green, therefore foods need to be green as well. What vegetables and fruits are green? In which season? What green vegetables can be eaten? Vegetables and fruits are okay. We need to have bread as well on the food table. Can we also make green bread? How can we get the green color for the dough? Would it be green if we make the bread with spinach water? How should we decorate the tables? Where would we place the plates, the tablecloth, and decorations on the table? What shaped table do we need for 5 people? Chapter 2. In your opinion, will Ms5 and Silly be able to make a good organization for the concert? Will the visitors be happy with the foods? Now it is your turn to organize a food section. Good luck, everyone!